Wash your hands. You're so gross. It is summertime and that means you are outside, you're doing a bunch of activities. So today we are going to be doing a video showing you sort of how to clean an interior, specifically pet messes, pet hair, all that good stuff, anything else that comes along with being outside, coming back into your car. So let's go. The owner of this car went to the beach this weekend with their dog, so the inside of the car has a bunch of sand, it has dog hair, it smells gross, it smells like wet dog. So today we are going to be doing a video showing you sort of how to clean an interior, so let's go. First things first, we are going to start off with a vacuum, which is the first step always in an interior detailing. So now that we've picked up the loose hair, the light debris with the vacuum on the seats and the floor, we are going to go in with Forbidden Pet Stain Remover to get rid of the stains left on the seat from the dog's paws, being wet, covered in sand, mud, dirt, that kind of thing. So we are going to spray with Forbidden and then we're going to brush it in with the nifty brush. So Forbidden Pet Stain Remover is specially formulated to remove stains from fabric, upholstery, carpet, surfaces like that. So you lightly spray it on and then you work it in with a brush and it just lifts away the stains, especially since this car smells like wet dog. So this seat looks amazing, obviously, because, I did it. Now we're going to move on to the driver's side and make that seat look just as good. You can also spray directly into the brush to add some extra cleaning power as you're scrubbing. Now that we've vacuumed the floor and cleaned the seats with Forbidden, we are going to work on the center console area. It's still a little dirty. There's some hair, there's some sand. So we're going to go in with Nonsense all-purpose cleaner and an interior detailing brush to really get in the nooks and crannies. And then we'll wipe it up and dry it up with a clean microfiber towel. So here we go. Talk nonsense or about nonsense?
Talk about nonsense.
Nonsense is an amazing cleaner. Like I said, it's an all-purpose cleaner. So you can use it, here you can use it on windows, you can use it on your door panels, you can use it on exterior surfaces of your car, like the undercarriage. It's super versatile. You can also use it to clean your shoes, which is cool. But it really gets in there, and especially with a detailing brush, it gets those areas that you normally wouldn't be able to either scoop up with a vacuum or get with a microfiber towel. So you can make sure it's super clean. So working our way up, we did the floors, we did the seats, we did the console. We are now going to work on the steering wheel, the nav screen, the dash, because those are still a little dirty. They have some hair, some dust on them for being in and out of the car, at the beach, that kind of stuff. So we're going to use Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant wipes. Super handy, you can keep them in your car. It's a 30 pack, you can just grab a single wipe and open it up. It's really large. It has this like texture weave, so it picks up extra dust and dirt. So we will wipe around the steering wheel. Total Interior is great for many surfaces. You can use it on virtually any interior surface. It's super useful, super versatile. Really gets in there, it cleans, and it does leave a layer of protection. This is just from the steering wheel. That is because it is the most touched surface in your car. Your hands are touching it all day. They're not always clean. There's always stuff on them, and you don't really realize until you clean it. Wash your hands. You're so gross. So I'm gonna grab a new one because this one is super gross. So we're gonna go back in, pull out another wipe, and we are going to work on the nav, the knobs, everything up here. Total Interior wipes are really great for cleaning your dash because they do add a layer of protection, so it helps from the sun beating in all day when you're driving. So now that we finished cleaning the interior, our last step is to go in with an odor eliminator. We are using Ghosted Pet Odor Eliminator, specifically because it is a finishing touch. It will get rid of any lingering pet smells like the wet dog smell that was in here because they were at the beach this weekend. So we're just gonna go ahead and spray a few sprays into the car and that should take care of it. So that is how easy it is to clean the interior of your car after a weekend out at the beach, at the park, with your dog, with your cat, whatever you were doing. You just need a few simple products, some brushes, a towel, and you are good to go. This interior looks amazing now. It is ready for the next road trip. So I'm Emily from Chemical Guys. If you like this video, give us a like, leave a comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.